As Precinct 4 Commissioner of Harris County, Texas, and on behalf of the citizens of Harris County, congratulations on your ribbon cutting celebration. I recognize the entire Cliffs Car-Tech staff for your hard work and dedication to the needs of our community. I am pleased to celebrate this wonderful occasion and wish you much success. Signed, Commissioner RJ.
Thank you. That is awesome. That is awesome. Car-Tech! Good? Well, welcome everybody. I think I know everybody. Paula with the Cypher Chamber. We're happy to have you as a member. I know you're not a new business, which you're going to tell us, but we're happy to have you as a new member and welcome you to the chamber. And there's so many resources and information and connections that we hope to help you with. Okay. But this is Terry Smith, the owner, and her husband Cliff is out there working.
Yeah, he's diagnosing a car.
They got a
truck.
Full busy day.
That big thing up on the left.
So Cliffs Car-Tech, so obviously I'm just going to turn it right over to you, Terry. Tell them a little bit about how you got started, and I love your partnership thing and buyout, and it's kind of a good story, so take it away.
In December of 2006, my husband and a partner bought this business existing, and Cliff had worked with the fella in the past, you know, he'd worked for him. And they'd been looking for a place to set up a business together. So my husband is a master diagnostician. He can fix anything. He can figure out anything. In fact, when he can't, it's a challenge, and now it must be solved. Okay. So we had a partner for a couple of years, and then the partner decided he wanted to do something different. So we bought him out, and not long after that, I joined my husband here in the shop full time. I'm originally from insurance. I had a 25-year career in insurance. So joining him here was something of a culture shock. But we eventually made it work. He doesn't like talking to customers. I can't diagnose cars, so you know we have our little lanes of or areas. We have a service manager, Jamie, who makes things run around here much easier because there are days I could still kill him and tell God he died. My husband, that is, not Jamie. So we've been here for a total of about 12 years. My husband, as I said, is a master diagnostician. We work Acura through Yugo, though I don't think Yugo exists anymore. We do full service, mechanical repair, no body or paint, any of that. And we want to treat our customers like their family. My best customers are the ones where I see mom, I see dad, I see the kids, you know, I see their friends, I see their neighbors. Those are the best. Most of our advertising is word of mouth. I've got a couple of little websites, you know, and the listings on Angie's List and Yelp and Repair Pal, which is like an Angie's List for auto repair. And that's pretty much it. You know, we get a lot of traffic that flows by. So that's part of ours. And then, of course, the high school is across the street, you know. So we want to fix it. We want to fix it right. And then we want to treat you like family as much as we can, you know, as far as taking care of your vehicles. So.
How many employees do you have?
It's just 5 of us total. Me, Cliff, Jamie. I've got 2 technicians out there. It looks like we're hiring another one on pretty shortly. So we attended a shop owners conference back at the end of October, and so we're hoping to learn to do this better and grow. And that's our whole plan right now, is to do that. So there's a lot going on around here, trying to get things done.
That's great. It's a lot of hats to wear as a business owner, I know, I'm sure.
Yes.
So those conferences that's great that you have a resource to go
Exactly.
and learn and some guidance and talk to other business owners, how they do
Yeah,
it.
and it's a mentorship program along with a boatload, I'm still not through the list, of training videos on the different things that they recommend and the different systems you can put into place to make it run more efficiently. You know, because that's a lot of it. Because like right now, we're not terribly busy. That looks like a lot of cars, that's not. When we're busy, you can't hardly get in my parking lot. You know, I've got cars everywhere, you know, that's busy. And when it gets like that, we've got to be more efficient, you know, so that we can get things done and get them done in a way that makes our customers happy, that doesn't leave you waiting an extra day because we couldn't find a part or, you know, something like that. So that's what that's all about, you know, is learning to do it better.
So it seems, was it car insurance that you were in, your past experience?
No, I was in commercial lines, property casualty.
Oh, so really a big different change.
Oh,
yeah,
total different culture shock. In fact, just before I joined my husband here, I was underwriting large churches. So.
Wow, yeah, that's different.
Totally,
than
Totally different.
180 degrees. right?
Yep, yep.
Sounds like you're doing great, though. It's really good. But we're here for you, and
Happy birthday to you.
it needs to be an anniversary song, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, skinny and some, and then y'all just tell me, oops, I'm going right through that, all that. All right,
Cake. Good cake. Come on, celebrate. Okay. All right.
and y'all are welcome to more, all you have to do is say so. As you can see, I've got cake for days. That's good, I think, for a sophomore or something, guys will like it too.
All right, who's next? Thanks for being here. They're here first. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
It is, but it's a partnership.
Good icing. Yeah, good icing.